Hello everyone, my name is Ziyad Shuaibu. My hack is in the no-code category, and I'm going to be focusing on VCON as an insightful data engine used for operational efficiency in organizations. My organizational use case is going to be Aquidneck Yard Brokers, which is the same organization used by VCON to provide dummy data. In a world where tools are being created every day, I'm of the belief that, as someone who runs a small organization, I'm of the belief that you need to utilize these tools in order to maximize operational efficiency and to further grow your organization. This helps prevent drain and overwork amongst our staffs. Um, to do this, you need to get insights. VCon is a gold mine for organizations if utilized properly. And for today's hack, I'm going to be showing us how VCon helps you gain operational insights to uncover hidden problems, to enable conversations to travel fast across departments, and to provide a measuring stick for operational improvement. We're going to be taking the role of the customer success manager, and this person is tasked at Aquidneck with the responsibility of fostering long-term relationships and retention. In a small organization like Aquidneck, this person is also responsible for daily interaction with customers in order to gather feedback. Now, it's no news that in order to satisfy the customers, the job doesn't fall on one person but cuts across several departments. But this person, the customer success manager, is at the forefront. Now, in this section, we're going to uncover the hidden problems from conversations between customer success manager and the customers using VCon and LLM. So I've uploaded VCon or the conversation to an LLM, and we're going to derive the hidden problems. So if you're familiar with the VCons that were provided, we did a little twist to them and we made the conversations more realistic. We realized that, or I realized that, the conversations between customer success managers and customers sometimes tend to be more dynamic and spontaneous. And so for the first conversation type, we have returns and refunds. So for context, we have a situation where customers in an emotional state, several customers in an emotional state call now to request for a refund. Um, it says here that this is a notable pattern and it needs a critical hidden detail. The sadness isn't just about the act of return an item, but it stems from a deeper dissatisfaction or unmet expectations. This was what was derived by the LLM from the VCon. Now, it also captures operational challenges that caused this problem. Product description discrepancies, quality control issues, return process friction. Now, it also gave an example as to how one of the conversations might have gone. A customer expressing sadness might not just say, I want to return this. The VCon transcript might reveal, I'm so sad because I bought this GPS thinking to be compatible with my existing system, but it's not, and now I've wasted a full day trying to install it. This points to a need for clearer compatibility information in product listing or pre-purchase consultation. That last sentence pinpoints the customer success manager to the particular department that this finding needs to be communicated to. And we use the LLM and the VCon to pinpoint that department. It says here that the finding needs to be communicated to the marketing department. That's what's written here. And we also found out the best format that finding needs to be communicated in, and it's a structured data or dashboard. This allows you to convert conversational data into structured, quantifiable information, visualized information to be precise. This format is ideal for tracking trends, identifying patterns, and visualizing data. Oh, yeah, here is a visual representation of the customer success manager sending out his findings to several departments. Now, we only used one conversation type, which was focused on one department, but there were several conversation types focusing on several departments, such as product development, accounting, but just to save time, we only used one. Now, to move on to the next section, we want to show you how to use VCon to provide a measuring stick for operational improvements focusing on the marketing department. Now, I use the LLM to state the benefits, of using VCon. And it says here, VCon findings help marketing refine messaging, understand customer pain points, and develop more effective communication strategies. By knowing what the customers are actually saying, marketing can tailor campaigns that resonate and address common concerns upfront. Now, continuing the example that I stated before, it says if VCONS reveal emotional customers often expressing sadness about returns due to product description discrepancies. Marketing can update product descriptions to be more accurate and transparent, managing customer expectations and reducing returns. Now, the purpose of my hack was to show us how VCON can help improve operational improvement across several departments, not just marketing, across supply chain, C-suites, product development teams, sales accounts. When you send those findings to all those teams, it's turns on the team or the department for them to figure out their mistake and then for them to improve on that. And this further improves the growth of organizations. And this is just one of the many, many benefits that VCon provides to organization. This is my hack. Thank you very much. Bye.